When you're looking at parts for your customer, you may run into a situation where there's a lot of options, including the ball joint and even a complete or loaded control arm. In these cases, look at it from the technician's perspective. With a loaded control arm, not only do you get a brand new ball joint, but you get a brand new control arm that also has brand new bushings. For the technician, the value here is the ease of installation. In other words, they don't have to pull out a lot of tools to remove the old ball joint or install the new ball joint. For instance, like a friction fit like this, yes, you're going to have to pull out a press. In the case of a stamped steel control arm, they might have to remove rivets or other fasteners that can be extremely stubborn. But the true value for your technician customers out there of a loaded control arm is the ease of alignment. If you're replacing the complete control arm with not only the new ball joint, but also the bushings, chances are that vehicle is going to be closer on camber, caster, and even toe than if you just replace the ball joint itself. So that's the added value to your technician customer. To their customers, well, it means a complete job that gets them back on the road faster.